happy family, welcome once again to my channel. In today's video we are making delicious and easiest tilapia like soup. So let's go and check on our ingredients. So I have my tilapia neatly washed and cleaned. I will also add some salted Tolo beef to my soup. I have my tomatoes, one large onion, and my cube tablet. I also have some ginger, garlic, onion, aniseed, some habanero pepper, and some basil. So, without wasting much time, let's go and make this delicious soup. I will first of all start by blending my garlic, ginger, and some habanero pepper. I'm going to use it to marinate my fish. After blending my ginger, garlic, onion, and habanero pepper, this is what I have, and I'm going to marinate my fish. I will just scoop some of the blended spices. I will also add some salt, mix them together, and I will set it aside for some time before starting the soup. I'm starting my soup by steaming my salted beef. I will also add some tomato paste and also some of my blended ginger to it. And I'm not going to add any salt again because the beef is already salted, so I will just steam it like that and add my water. This will be on the fire for some minutes before adding the rest of the ingredients. The beef has been cooking for some minutes now, and I'm going to add my vegetables. That's my fresh tomatoes, my onions, and I will add some habanero pepper to it and also add some water. I will leave it on the fire and let it cook for additional minutes. After 10 minutes, my vegetables are well cooked, so I'm going to remove them and I will also blend them, and after that I will pour it back into the soup. At this point, I'm adding my fresh fish into the soup. I will also add some okra. Then I will let it cook for some more minutes before taking it off the fire. After 15 minutes, my soup is almost done. So I'm adding some two habanero because I want my soup to be hot, and I'll also add some basil, and this is totally optional. So I will let it simmer for 5 minutes. Our our soup is ready and it looks so amazing. So I'm going to serve this with my fufu. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoy watching this video. And if today is your first time of coming across this channel, you are welcome. And please like, share and comment on this video. And don't forget to click on the subscribe button. And to my old returning subscribers, I say thank you so much for always taking your precious time to watch every video I post. I really do appreciate it a lot. Until I come your way, peace be with you and let's love each other.